Hello dear student, welcome back to science session. Today here we are going to study the non-linear motion. Okay, so what is the non-linear motion? Previously we have studied the linear motion. What is the linear motion? That is the motion of an object along a straight path or in a single direction is called the linear motion. Now what is the non-linear motion? Opposite to that, the motion of an object that does not move in a straight line is called non-linear motion. Now, non-linear motion have the following types. First one is the what? Oscillatory motion. Okay. Then second one, circular motion. Third one, periodic motion. Let us study one by one. So first is the oscillatory motion. What is the oscillatory motion? The motion of body that is oscillating or that is swinging back and forth is called oscillatory motion. Okay, so in oscillatory motion can be termed as the repeated motion also. Why? Because in which an object repeats the same movement over and over. If you are observing the pictures shown in the first picture, the girls are playing a seesaw. Okay, if you are observing the motion of seesaw, it continuously up down. Okay, means that motion is continuously repeated again and again. Okay, so this motion is the oscillatory motion. Okay, boy is also what? It is swinging continuously back and forth. So that example is the example of oscillatory motion. In the second picture, the pendulum of the clock is shown. Okay, if you are observing the motion of that pendulum, it is also back and forth. Okay, so such a types of motions are called oscillatory motion. Okay, now next one is the what? Circular motion. Okay, what is the circular motion? The motion of an object along a circular path is called circular motion. Okay, along the circular path means what? There is a movement of an object along the circumference of circle or rotation along a circular path. Now it can be a uniform or it can be a non-uniform. Okay, so if you are observing, I have shown the many pictures. Okay, so in that picture, if you are observing the first one, I am showing the sun and planets. In second, earth and moon. Okay, if you are observing, we know that continuously moon is rotating around an earth. Second, earth itself rotating along about its own axis. Okay, so these are the examples of circular motion. The next one, third, the circular track. Suppose boy is running on a circular track. Okay, if you are observing, it moves along that circumference of a circle. It is also a what? Circular track or circular motion. Okay, the next one is what? Circular ride. In that the merry-go-round or the giant wheel is shown, and if you are observe that motion of that giant wheel, it is what? A circular motion. Then here on right side I have shown the atoms and electrons. We know that the electrons are continuously revolving or rotating around an nucleus of an atom. Okay, then the examples of circular motion, these all are these examples of circular motion, that is the motion of an object along circular path. Okay, next one is the what? That is the periodic motion. Okay, so what is the periodic motion? The motion of an object which passes through a point again and again after a fixed point is called periodic motion, or we can say that the motion repeated in equal intervals of time. Okay, suppose there are many examples. So first motion is shown, a motion of piston inside the cylinder of an engine of two-wheeler or the four-wheelers. Okay, then if you are observing the watch or the clock is shown, in which the minute hand or the hour hand, they are continuously repeating its motion again and again after equal interval of time. Okay, then last example I have shown, that is the motion of a spring, vibrating spring. Okay, so there is a what, continuous repetition of motion after equal interval of time, therefore it is called the what, periodic motion. Okay, also we can say that the earth in its orbit around the sun, we know that it takes the what, 24 hours. So that motion is happen repeated again and again. Yes, so such a type of examples are the examples of periodic motion. Okay, so I hope all of you understood the non-linear motion and its types, such as oscillatory motion, then circular motion, and last one is the what, periodic motion. Thank you.